This is a message from Fluoride Free New Zealand. Here we have 2 bottles of fluoridated water. One contains 1 part per million of pharmacy-grade sodium fluoride, made with 2 fluoride tablets that you can purchase from your local pharmacy. The other contains Wellington fluoridated tap water at 0.85 parts per million from an unapproved hydrofluorosilicic acid source. Medicine regulations from 1984 identify 5 groups that require varying dosage warnings. 1. Pregnant women. 2. Children under 3. 3. Children from 3 to 5 years of age. 4. Children from 6 to 8 years of age. And 5. Persons 9 years and older. For the pharmaceutical-grade fluoridated water, pregnant women are allowed none. Children under 3 are allowed none. 3 to 5-year-old children are allowed 250 mL per day maximum. 6 to 8-year-old children are allowed 500 mL per day maximum. And persons 9 and older are allowed 1 litre per day. By contrast, the tap water has no restriction for the dose to any of the groups at all. They can drink as much as they like, with the recommended dose being up to 8 glasses per day. This is a message from Fluoride Free New Zealand. Thank you for watching.